Sons and daughters of God, daily devotional by Ellen G. White. To stand firm in spite of ridicule and scorn. July 23rd. We must have the courage of our convictions. Blessed is the man that walketh not in the counsel of the ungodly, nor standeth in the way of sinners, nor sitteth in the seat of the scornful. Psalm chapter 1, verse 1. The ungodly are those who do not love and obey the commandments of God, but go contrary to them. This is the class of counselor you are warned to shun, the class which Satan uses to lead youth astray. Their counsel, their suggestions are of a character to make light of sin, to ridicule righteousness. They are represented as standing in the way of sinners, always leading them out of the straight path of duty and obedience to God's commandments into the path of disobedience. If it were not for those persons who do wrong and tempt others to do wrong, many sinners might have chosen the path of duty, the life of purity and godliness. The fear of ridicule leads many a youth to yield to temptation and walk in the ways of the ungodly. Jesus would not place himself in peril to please the devil, but how many today can stand a dare? Allow no taunt, no threat, no sneering remark to induce you to violate your conscience in the least particular, and thus open the door whereby Satan can come in and control the mind. You must be an interested Bible student. His word is a sure guide. If it is carefully studied, there is no danger of falling under the power of temptation that surrounds the youth and crowd in upon them. Some may ridicule you for being so strict. They may call you self-righteous, but be careful to start right and then keep quietly on. The history of Daniel, if all was written, would open chapters before you that would show you the temptation he had to meet of ridicule, envy, and hatred. But he rose superior to ridicule, and so will everyone who is an overcomer. This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for any further study notes. Sons and daughters of God.